honey, you gonna see a lot of this, okay? Hey friends, welcome back for another video. We are cozy in our, this is a Real from Victoria's Secret that I absolutely love. Is pink, white, and black, and which are my favorite colors if you didn't know. So in today's video, we are going through Empties. I have a lot to get through. I'm thinking I'm gonna break this video up. These are ones that I have accumulated. I think the last Empties video I did was maybe March, and it is May. This would be probably the end of March, like mostly April Empties. So if you're interested in that kind of video, then let's go. We are gonna hit up what I see. This is pretty much gonna be body care, but look y'all, Olay. Y'all know I love Olay. This is the Shea Manuka and Shea and Manuka honey. I love this, and so yes, I will be repurchasing that. Body wash that my sons use, they use the Up and Up. This is the Shea and Oatmeal body wash. This one is gentler than more gentle than the Vino, but I really do like this a lot better, and I would repurchase it. This one I wouldn't repurchase the scent, but I love the brand. This is raw sugar for men. This is the black coconut and sea salt. Now, if you want to smell like a manly man, this smells like fresh and woodsy. My husband didn't particularly like this, but I finished it. It was nice. It's okay, but I do like some other ones. And like I said, I can use this brand. Some of their scents I can use as a feminine body wash, which is what I probably need to go get some more of. Yes. I have a backup, but I always like to stock up on certain things. Let's just go through as much body wash as possible. So more Olay. This is the Olay Cleansing and Firming Collagen Body Wash. I loved this so much. I will be repurchasing this 100% again. And this is the Olay Exfoliating, and this is the Exfoliating Moisture Sea Salt. I really like this as well, and I would repurchase it. It's just so clean, fresh, so fresh and so clean. Yes, this one was better though, I would say. Those are so good. Damn. Y'all know, by the way, we're doing Project Pan, right? 350. I'll have the total in the description box. So let's empty some things together. Let's use up what we already have, right? So I have another Up and Up. This is a Oatmeal and Shea, and the reason why I put those there is because when I run out, sometimes I will use theirs, but I want to include household products in terms of, you know, what we use up, because I want them to use up what they have too. I just don't want to practice just like buying. We want to get rid of or finish. Okay, so this was a raw sugar. This is the Moisture Loving Body Wash. This is white grapefruit and rosemary. I was not a fan of this scent. I would not purchase the scent, but honey, watermelon mint, yes ma'am. So you can probably see like all of these, right? That's insane. Oh my goodness. Okay, all of these are going straight to the recycling bin. Okay. This is a Flake Away by Soap and Glory. This is their Shea Sugar and Apricot Seed Body Polish. I like this. This one was really good on my feet, so I would repurchase this. I love me some Soap and Glory. Soap and Glory is so good. So yes. Something from Soap and Glory I would not repurchase though. This is the Soap and Glory in the Glow How. This is 5% glycolic acid exfoliating tonic. This, no. Pixie Glow Tonic, yes. This, no. Pass on that one. Okay, another Soap and Glory product. This is the Smoothie Oat Sugar and Shea Breakfast Scrub. Hands down, oh yes. I love a good sugar scrub. I love that this one had organic kupuwasu in the bio scrubs, banana, almond, and honey extracts. This one actually was better than this one, but this is the Flake Away. This one is really good on feet. It's a little bit more abrasive, but this one is really good. The breakfast smoothie, yes ma'am. I am so proud that I'm getting through these. Skincare. We have the Deep Cleansing Oil by DHC, hands down my favorite cleansing oil. It turns into a milky foam. You could double cleanse you could double cleanse, like cleanse the first time, get all the makeup off, use this again. This is like Level Up Purity by Philosophy, which I really like that one, but this one gets everything off and washes down the sink. Wonderful product. Another skincare product. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a holy grail of mine. This is probably the second or the third jar that I've been through, and I would repurchase this. This is great. I would say if you're in your 30s or plus, get this, girl. This is good. You'll be able to tell the difference. Very, very hydrating as well. One of my holy grail body butters. This is the soy milk and honey whipped body butter. Hands down, one of my favorite. And y'all, it is gone. But I'm gonna tell you, this paired with this, I mean, it looks similar, right? Oops. This and this, mwah, magnifique. Like my son says, magnifique. I told y'all another Oatmeal and Shea. So that's 3 Oatmeal Sheas. Up and Olay rule my house. I'm just saying. And Dove. So this is the Derma E Ultra Hydrating Alkaline Clown Cleanser. I like this. This was a nice foam. Would I repurchase it? I don't know. It's in that meh type of. Most of the time I'm yes, no. This is meh. You know. It's okay, but nice product. It's not something that I dislike, but it didn't like, who girl, I gotta go out there and get that. Yes, but Derma E did a great job with this, and I love the foam on this. It's very clean and hydrating, and it has hyaluronic acid, so more yes than no. How about that? Let's see some more skincare. Ooh, this is a cleansing oil. This is Huang Jisu Pure Perfect Cleansing Oil. I will pass on this and continue to get this. I mean, this, it tried, but it did not. It tried, but it lied. Like, no. It tried to be this product, but no. So I will pass on this. It was nice. I got it through a FabFitFun and wanted to try another cleansing oil. So yes, and pass, please. So yeah. Native, this is the coconut and vanilla. I like this scent. Before, I used something that I think it darkened my armpits. Y'all talked about that. If you know what scent that is, or what scent it is from Native, let me know, because inquiring minds want to know what did it for you. It might not be the same, but you know, just put a flag up there. Okay, so Kate Somerville Exfoliate ran out of this. Absolutely love this. This looks like it was a deluxe size. What I would travel with, I would repurchase it. I have some more. This is the Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I like this a lot. I want to try some more. Not to say that this one is always there, but I'm gonna tell you, their Nitamins, oh my goodness, that is such a good night cream with a lot of good nutrients and everything in it. I like the Nitamins at night versus this one during the day, but I would repurchase this. I want to try the Believe Vitamin C like gel. That's gel moisturizer. That's kind of like this. Now this is definitely a must-have. This is an SPF. This is a Vino Hydra Protect and Hydrate sunscreen. I'll be talking about sunscreens very, very, very soon, and this one is SPF 50, and it is phenomenal. I think it's great under makeup. If you have dry skin, you'll like it. If you have combo skin, you will like this product. But this replaced my Radiantly Positive moisturizer from Vino, but this one is really, really good. Okay, so I have the Juice Beauty. This is the anti-wrinkle booster serum. I want to say I talked about this before. No. Okay, a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I absolutely love this. I will be talking about body butters very, 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 very soon, just because I feel like this is the season to, like, you know, some people, you know, we want to moisturize, but we're showing off a little bit more leg. You know, in the wintertime it was leggings. Now we leg less. No, well, not legless. That means no legs, but like no leggings. Leggingless. Is that a word? So I have another one of these. This is the Native Vanilla Coconut Vanilla, and yeah, went through 2 of those. You can tell how much I like that deodorant. Oh, actually, I must have gone through 3. Wow. Wait a minute. I know I'm not going through deodorants that fast. Maybe these were in different areas, I think, and I put them all there at the same time. I kind of ran out of them at the same time. That's what happened, y'all. So I was like, I did not. This is not in 1 month, okay? If girl, if you using this much in 1 month, seek a physician immediately. All right, an apple cider vinegar. This is the 4-in-1 foaming clay mask. Absolutely love this. I already have a backup, and yes, I would repurchase. I have the Murad Resurgence hydrating toner. I think I talked about this in my last Sephora haul. So yeah, totally completed that. I also completed the Aptogen Soothe and Hydrating Activatings Mist. This had a really nice mist on it. You're not going to see it because all of it's gone. But I talked about this in my Sephora recommendations as well. Another one that I absolutely love. This is a really good vitamin C that I love. And I'm going to be doing like a series of my favorites in each category. But this one is the Beauty Counter Plus All Bright C Serum. It contains 10% vitamin C and turmeric. I talked about this in a Sephora, in my last Sephora recommendations. I absolutely love this, ran out of this. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely let me know what you are getting through. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. The next one will be hair, so stay tuned. Bye guys.